Hi guys, welcome back to the Digital Solve channel. In today's video, I'm going to discuss how we can install the WordPress. And if you have recently taken the hosting and the domain name, if you want to know how you can integrate both of them, you can check out my previous video wherein I have shared the details with you. Now let's begin with the WordPress installation. All right. Now, in order to install the WordPress, the first thing is you'll have to access the cPanel. Now, cPanel is basically the URL through which we can access the entire hosting space. We can create the email IDs from cPanel, we can create the uh, database from there, and we can install the platform on which we can create the website. Now, today we're going to create the website on the WordPress. So, for that, we need to access the cPanel. Now, in order to access the cPanel, you'll generally get an email from your hosting provider which gives you the cPanel details. Like if you have this website, in my case, my website is Digital Saurabh. So in order to access the cPanel, I'll have to write digitalsaurabh.com/cpanel. Now this is the link through which I'll access the cPanel. Once I'll access the cPanel, I'll put in my username and the password, and then I'll hit on login. Now once I'll hit on login, you'll see something like this. Now this is how the cPanel look like. You might have a different interface if you have a different hosting. Right now I'm using a HostGator's hosting. On HostGator, this is how the cPanel looks like. Now from here, I need to search for the Softaculous. Now, Softaculous is basically an app through which I can install the platforms. Here we have the option of Softaculous in software. Now, I'll just go ahead and click on Softaculous app installer. Now, after clicking on Softaculous, I'll have to click on WordPress. You see over here, this WordPress. Now, these are the all other platform which cPanel offer you, but I need to install WordPress, so I'll simply click on WordPress here. Now after clicking on WordPress, here we have the option of installation. I just need to click on install now. Now after clicking on install now, uh, you'll get onto this screen. Here we have certain option like http www https www. Now if you have SSL certificate, in that case you can go with https. If you don't have a SSL certificate, you just simply have to go with http. I would suggest you to go with http // only, because this www, generally nobody is typing www before going onto their website. So I'll suggest you to go with this http. Now after that, we have the domain name, which is already selected if you have integrated your domain and the hosting. Later on you'll see uh, there is this in directory. Now we have to delete it. Always remember, you'll have to delete whatever it is written in directory. Otherwise, if in this case wp is written, so your WordPress will gonna installed in this directory which has wp, and your homepage will be something like digitalsaurabh.com/wp. It will become your homepage. But I don't want my WordPress to be installed in any directory. I want it to be in my main website, that is digitalsaurabh.com. So I'll just remove it. Now after that, we have the site name. Here you need to write your site name. In case it's Digital Saurabh, I'll simply write Digital Saurabh. Now after that, you can write down the tagline as well. So if you already have a tagline of your website, you can write down here. If you don't have it, you can change it later as well. Now after that, comes the username and the password. So you need to change your username and password. You can keep your username as admin, but you have to change the password because this password is a bit difficult to remember. So I'll just go ahead and change the password. Okay, after that, we'll have to hit on install. You won't have to do anything else. You'll just simply click on install, and it will gonna take some time, and your WordPress will be installed. Now in order to access the WordPress, there is a link which we get. Now you guys can note down this link. you'll have to always log into the WordPress in order to access the dashboard. Now, this is the link. You'll have to write down your entire domain name, that's digitalsaurabh.com. Then you'll have to put a forward slash, and then you have to write wp hyphen admin. So once you write it, you'll have to hit enter. All right. So your WordPress dashboard will gonna look somewhere like this. Now I have logged into my WordPress, and that's how you can install the WordPress. Thank you for watching this video, and in the next video I'm gonna tell you how you can install the theme and can start working. Thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. It's always my pleasure to share my knowledge with you. Do hit the like button and subscribe if you want to know more. And always remember, be positive, stay awesome, do what you want. Thank you.